Hi students, in this video we are going to learn some important questions from the sample question paper max for 10th standard term 2 exam. So in this video we are going to start question number 10. First 9 question already we have uploaded in our channel. The link is given in the description box. Those who need it kindly watch that. 10th question. A wooden toy was made by scooping out a hemisphere of same radius from each end of the solid cylinder. So we have a solid cylinder. They have scooping out a hemisphere from both the ends. So they are making a wooden toy in this shape. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, the total height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter is given. So h is equal to 10 centimeter and its base radius is 3.5. So for hemisphere and cylinder both the same radius we should consider because it's a scooping out figure only. R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Find the volume of the wood in the toy. So what is the volume of this toy they are asking. So the basic volume from the volume of the cylinder we have to subtract the volume of two hemispheres. The remaining will be the volume of the wooden toy actually. So volume of the toy will be equal to volume of the cylinder minus 2 times volume of hemisphere, because both the side they have scooping out the hemispherical shape. So 2 times volume of the hemisphere we have to subtract. So let's apply the formula now. So the required volume of the toy is equal to volume of the cylinder formula pi r squared h minus 2 times hemisphere volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Whenever you are getting a formula in addition or subtraction in this pattern, don't do this separately. Try to take a common terms outside, then start the problem. That will be easy for us because radius is same for both the diagrams. So pi is common for both the terms. So pi and r squared we can take it out. The remaining is h here minus here the remaining is 2 2s are 4 by 3. Pi we have taken out, from the r cube r squared we have taken out. So only one r will be remaining. Now since it is a volume, so value will be cubic unit we should write. So here in our question everything is given in the centimeter. So this is centimeter cube will be the answer finally. Now let's apply. Pi value they are asked us to take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 multiple by r value 3.5. 3.5 square you can write, otherwise I am comfortable with doing with the fraction. So I am making 3.5 as 35 by 10 centimeter. So wherever r comes I will substitute 35 by 10. So 35 by 10 multiple by 35 by 10 because r squared we need it. Multiple by h minus. H is nothing but my cylinder height. Cylinder height is 10 is mentioned. So 10 minus 4 by 3 multiple by again r. R is 35 by 10 we have taken. Now we have to simplify. We can cancel it now. So we can cancel now. 7 1s are, 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are and 5 2s are 10 we can cancel. 2 1s are, 2 11s are 22 we can cancel. So from the remaining 35 and 10 both will come under 5 table. 5 7s are 5, 2s are 10. Now in the outside we have numerator 11 and 7 is pending, so that is 77. Here in the denominator we have only 2, so 77 by 2 outside. And inside we have 10 minus, here cancellation, again this will be by 5 table 7s are, this is 2s are, and 2 and 4 will get cancelled by 2 times. So 7 2s are 14 by 3 we are getting. First we have to take a LCM inside. 77 by 2 you keep as it is. 3 into 10 will be 30 minus 1 into 14 will be 14 divided by 1 3s are 3 we can write it. Now cancellation, subtraction first. 30 minus 14 will give you 16 by 3. If it is possible to cancel them, we can cancel 1s are. This is 8 times. Now nothing else to cancel, so we can go for the multiplication. 77 into 8 by 3. 616 by 3 we are getting. So this is centimeter cube we can write. If you want to make it in decimal, you can cancel further. You can give your answer in decimal also. Now we'll do the R option question. Look at the R question. If radii of two circular cylinders are 2:3. So we can write it R1:R2 is given as 2:3. There are two different cylinders. One is of radius multiple of 2. The next one is a multiple of 3. Whenever ratio is given, you have to think over it. That is not exactly equal to 2 and 3. It's a multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. We have to think over it. And heights are in the ratio 5:4. So we can write it H1 and H2 are in the ratio 5:4. Now calculate the ratio of their curved surface area and ratio of their volume. Both we should calculate. Ratio of their CSA and ratio of their volume they are asked us to find. Very easily we can calculate. So here first let us take R1 is equal to some 2x, R2 is equal to some 3x. Same way H1 is equal to some 5x, H2 is equal to some, y you take it. It will get confused. So go for some other variable. So this is 4y. Without taking variable also you can try, but in some point of time it will lead to the wrong answer. So go with the variable, it will not miss anywhere. So ratio of their CSA. So curved surface area of the first cylinder to curved surface area of the second cylinder. So cylinder surface area, curved surface area formula 2 pi RH, 2 pi R1 H1 is to 2 pi R2 H2. For first cylinder we are taking R1 H1, for second cylinder we are taking R2 H2. Since it's a ratio, if we have a common terms we can cancel it. 2 pi and 2 pi will get cancelled. Now for R1 we have 2x, for H1 we have 5y. Here for R2 we have 3x, for H2 we have 4y. So 5 2s are 10xy, here 12xy. xy and xy will get cancelled, and 10:12 we are getting again by 2 table we can write it 5 times, 6 times. So this is a ratio of their curved surface area. Next we are going to calculate the ratio of their volumes. So volume of the first cylinder is to volume of the second cylinder. Our formula pi r squared h, pi r1 h1 you take it, pi r2 squared h2 we can write it. Pi and pi will get cancelled. R1 value from the question we have 2x, 2x squared into 5y. Here R2 is 3x, so 3x squared into 4y we can write it. So 2 squared will be 4x squared multiplied by 5y. Here 9x squared into 4y we can write it. Now we can cancel the terms. X squared cancelled, y and y will get cancelled. This 4 and this 4 also will get cancelled. So from the remaining one we have 5 here. Here we have the 9. So this is a ratio of their volumes. So this is very easy to do that. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us. Share the video with your friends. Subscribe our channel for more videos.